Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Aminarti with student ID number H02231010. I am from Mathematics Education Class 23A. In this video, I will discuss the journal I made entitled Access and Use of Information Technology in Rural Areas, case study of the impact on the welfare of the Tapalang community. Okay, next I will discuss the abstract of the journal. This study aims to explore access and use of information technology in rural areas and its impact on the welfare of the Tapalang community. The research method used is a qualitative approach with non-participant observation methods with rural residents using information technology. The research results show that the level of access to technology in rural areas has increased significantly recent years, but there are still several challenges that people often face, as well as obstacles that hinder its optimal use. Positive impacts observed include increased access to information, increased social connectivity, and new economic opportunities and distance education. However, there are also negative impacts such as digital interference, limited access, security vulnerabilities, and potential weakening. The policy implications of this finding are also discussed for improving the welfare of rural communities through more effective use of information technology. Next, we will discuss the introduction of the journal. Okay, information technology, or in English known as information technology, is I feel related to the use of computer and software to help humans in creating, storing, exchanging, communications, or disseminating information. And this information technology is an information system that is combined with a person's activities. This research aims to examine access and use of information technology in rural areas and its impact on the welfare of the Tapalang community. The main focus of this research is to analyze how technology influences information in rural communities, including aspects such as education, health, economics, and social interaction, as well as strategies and solutions that can be implemented to improve community welfare. The literary studies from this journal are divided into the first, access to information technology in rural areas. Factors that cause increased access to information technology are the first, development of telecommunications infrastructure. The second, development of Wi-Fi infrastructure. And challenge fast, there are still many areas that do not have internet network coverage due to inadequate infrastructure and the high cost of accessing information technology, resulting in gaps in access to information and service. And the second, utilization of information technology in rural areas. Benefits of information technology for society. The first, access information. The second, communication network. The three, online marketplace. The four, agricultural information. The five, access education or learn online. And challenge that may be faced by the community. The first, limited access. The second lack of digital skills, and the three cost and infrastructure, and the four information security. The three, the impact of information technology on society welfare. Positive impact, the first access information, the second distance education, the three communication network, the four economic opportunities. And negative impact, the first access restrictions, the second digital image, the three security planning, and the four potential awakening. Okay, next is methodology. This research methodology was designed to examine access and use of information technology in rural areas and its impact on the welfare of the Tapalang community. The research uses a qualitative approach with case studies as the main method. This case study covers several villages in Tapalang which were chosen randomly. This method uses data collection technique with stroke non-participation observation methods, namely by observing behavior, interactions, and situations from a distance without direct involvement from the research. The result and discussion of this journal are: this research shows that access to information technology in rural areas still needs to be improved, with only a portion of the population being able to access the internet quickly due to inadequate infrastructure, so that internet access has a weak signal in some areas. The use of information technology in rural areas is also limited due to a lack of knowledge and skills among some residents who are new to technology, as well as a lack of adequate infrastructure because it requires high costs to process and maintain this infrastructure. The impact of information technology on the welfare of rural communities is very diverse, but from positive impact and negative impact, information technology can influence various aspects of life, including education, health, and the economy. Strategies and solutions that can be implemented are: this risk highlights the importance of developing and improving more adequate information technology infrastructure, training activities, and increasing community skills that can be carried out to improve the quality of society in using information technology, as well as policies that support access and use of information technology. It is hoped that this strategy can help overcome the challenge of access and use of information technology in rural areas, as well as improve community welfare. So that the discussion from the journal I made, we can draw conclusion and suggestions. The research results show that access to information technology in rural areas still needs to be improved, with only a small percentage of people having access to the internet. Apart from that, the use of information technology in rural areas is also limited. There is a lack of knowledge and skills, and there is a lack of adequate infrastructure. The impact of information technology on the welfare of rural communities is very diverse. The impact of information technology on the welfare of rural communities is also very diverse. To overcome this challenge, joint efforts from developers, governments, and rural communities are needed to develop infrastructure, increase knowledge and skills, and implement policies that support access and use of technology. It is hoped that the result of this research will make a significant contribution to the existing literature on this topic, as well as provide practical insight that can be used by various parties to overcome challenges and utilize technological information to improve the welfare of rural communities. This research provides the insights into access and use of information technology in rural areas and its impact on community welfare. Well, that's the end of my discussion. More or less, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. See you.